Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share Instagram group link. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Understand the process to share Instagram group links with your friends and increase your group's reach and engagement. You can share your Instagram group link with others to allow them to join it and share content in more private. But sometimes you may have problem locating the link from the desired group. So in this video, I will show you how to copy and share the group link on Instagram. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your DMs. You can open the group that you want to share the link. You can tap on the profile group, or you can see there is an option invitation link on the group chat, in the group chat room. You can just tap on invite link. You can copy or you want to share, tap on share like to WhatsApp or to Telegram and the others app. If you want to copy, you can tap on copy. So anyone can join your group chat with this link. Whenever they tap on the link, they will automatically join to the group. Or if you can't find these options, you can open the group profile and you'll see there is option like them, invitation link, people, privacy and safety, and create a new group. You can tap on invitation link and do the same thing like before. But this option only appear on the group from of the admin. If you're just a member, you can't find this invitation link or this option. So if you're only member on the group, maybe you can ask for the admin to share the link. So that is how to share group invitation on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.